How to import AliExpress products to Shopify using Zopi, your new dropshipping BFF. Let's dive in before your competition does. Head over to the Zopi website and sign up for a free account. Yes, free. The best things in life are free, except maybe shipping from AliExpress. Signing up for Shopify. In the description of this video, you'll find a special sign-up link that will enable you to extend your trial for an additional 3 months. So make sure you use that link to save some money. In your Shopify admin, hit that app section like a pro. Click Visit Shopify App Store, type in Zopi, and boom, install it like it's the latest phone update you've been ignoring. All right, let's make Zopi and Shopify besties. After installation, log into your shiny new Zopi account. Easy peasy. Follow the prompts. Yes, actually read them, and link up your Shopify store. Think of it like setting up a perfect matchmaking duo. Shopify meets Zopi, and they live happily ever after, managing your products and orders seamlessly. Here's where the fun begins. Shopping, but for your business, not your credit card's demise. Jump into the Zopi app, head to the product import section, and start your treasure hunt on AliExpress without falling into the weird gadgets at 3 a.m. trap. Found something cool? Click it. Check out details like pricing, shipping, and, very important, will people actually buy this? Hit that import button. Boom. It's now chilling in your Shopify store. You can even set pricing rules here to make sure you're not selling at charity giveaway prices. Now let's give those products some pizzazz. Tweak those titles, pump up those descriptions, and swap out any images for something that actually sells. Your Shopify admin makes it easy. Use Zopi's built-in magic to automatically set pricing based on your profit goals. No more math headaches. Thank you, automation gods. Time to let Zopi handle the heavy lifting while you kick back, or, let's be honest, market your store like crazy. When customers buy, Zopi syncs with AliExpress and gets those orders out faster than you can say, "Where's my tracking number?" Zopi's got a tracking feature that keeps customers in the loop, because nobody likes playing the "Is my package lost?" game. Play around with Zopi's extras, like AI-powered product descriptions, because who has time for writer's block? And bulk imports to save you hours. Check for updates like a hawk. You never know when a game-changing feature will drop. And that's a wrap. If this tutorial helped you level up your dropshipping game, smash that like button, subscribe for more Shopify hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. I'm here to help you crush it. Catch you in the next video. Happy selling, legends!